What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I've taken out this exhaust right here. That's my stock exhaust. And I just want to show you another thing that I've also done to the car. Right now we're working on the exhaust, but I didn't show how to install these. I got the Civic Performance side markers. And the way you install them is there's a little tab right in here. You just push it, pop it out. That's about it. You twist, turn the connector, take out the old light bulb, connect these bad boys, push right in. I didn't even take out like any screws or anything. You see videos of people putting their hands down the fender well. You don't actually have to do that. Right now the stock exhaust is out and we are installing an AFE Takeda exhaust. Now, I didn't see many reviews for this, so that's what we're going to be installing here, and let's get to it. I noticed that when I was taking the video of the mats, you couldn't really see them on the other camera, so it's kind of dirty, but they're nice. Nice little Tuxmats over here, right down there. They don't have a foot pedal issue either, which is really good. Some of the other mats I was reading about had that. And we'll just take a look at the back. Kind of dirty back here right now, but yeah, very nice, very easy to clean. That's it. Okay, so basically this exhaust is easier to install with two people. If you have a friend or extra jack stands. Right now I don't have extra jack stands. I'm using ramps on the back, jack stands at the front. What I'm showing you here is that the front pipe over there, one of the easiest things to install. But the mid pipe that connects to this Y pipe, it's easier to install the Y pipe at the back first with help. The hangers at this Y pipe, they're very hard to get on by yourself unless you have a jack stand, okay? Now, you put the Y pipe in, front pipe in, mid pipe, then mufflers. Get friends to help with mufflers too. I had my wife helping me, but yeah, overall easy install. Let's get to the noise clips. Okay, with all that being said, I'm gonna rate the Civic Performance lights are great. They just make the outside of the car look so good. The Tuxmats, I got those again because out of all the other ones, they say they mess up with the pedals of the car, and I didn't want that. And you know what? I think they look great. They come up much higher than all the other mats. Now, the exhaust. Personally, it's too quiet for my likings. It does have an aggressive tone, but it is nowhere nowhere near loud enough. Now I'm gonna see what it will be like after I get a 3-inch catless downpipe from pipe, but we'll see. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe for more content. Probably be doing that downpipe front pipe combo soon, and then a tune and an intercooler, and then we'll be working on the cosmetics of the car. Hope you have a good one. See you later. Bye.